Is it okay? Kanina guys, muna lang kung gaano kataas to. We've been here for almost an hour and nagpicture lang kami.
I got so much good pics. Follow me sa IG at Martin.
Yeah, and follow me at Ariella Janelle.
Go walk.
We have so many pics. Even though nasa unahan pa lang kami. Oh no, they can't hear me because you're too far.
Face pa lang kami.
Nasa first phase pa lang kami, but
You have like 100 pics.
yeah, real. Ay, may nagad yung kamay ko. I need to change. Left is my weak hand.
Tanggal na ako ng jacket because it's hot as fuck,
Yung
man.
jacket niya, nagiging props na lang.
Yeah, it's literally props lang. Now we're gonna go. Umawa ka dito since you're old.
Since you're old!
See how I'm being maltreated in this relationship. Literally holding the bag and doing everything.
Bro, I can hear.
How she can hear me? Dikit sa ano mo?
Here?
Other one. Ew! What the fuck? I think sa 6 years ng relationship namin, ito yung pinakamahirap na activity. Just kidding.
As you can see, siya na po ang nauuna dahil hindi ko na po kinakaya.
Naiwan siya, guys. She weak. Wait lang, professional vlogger na ako.
Oh no, the curls are not curling anymore.
Pagod na yung kasama ko. She has very weak lungs. So we're sitting down
Rest lang naman
of the
sandali.
basketball court.
Nakikita niyo ba si Kobe Bryant?
Yeah, she's
Ay,
here.
Kobe Bryant.
Yeah, he's dead, bro.
Oh, sorry. The main reason kung bakit kami nagmamadali guys ay dahil sa nag-fog na nga po at hindi na maganda mag-picture doon sa ating red channeling. Pero it's fine. Kasi this one, oh. Diba? Nakahabol kami na meron pa nung part na nakikita. Tapos ito na yung ulap. So yeah, I am really very good for that. Now, bababa na kami dahil sobrang lumalamig na. We're gonna conquer the tallest and the maniest
Mali ka naman mag-iintay.
stairs. Huh?
Not para Mr. Beast. Today.
Okay. Today, we're gonna conquer. Oh, tingnan mo. Kulay Mr. Beast pa man din tong Lourdes, gagi.
Oo nga, no?
Pakita mo na lang kung gaano kataas to.
Wow, the camera doesn't give it justice, bro.
Nakabawas na kami ng siguro mga 1/4. I don't know, but
Search na lang sa Google.
he's rating the pictures already because he can't wait. Oh shit, pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo sa kanila.
Sneak peek. Damn! Who is that man?
Unfortunately, namali ng binabaan sa amin. Dapat dun sa mismo, tapat ng mansion at Wrights Park. Binaba niya kami sa hindi namin gusto. Tapos nung tinanong namin kung pwedeng ilipat kami, sabi niya, maglakad na kami. So ngayon, naglalakad kami. And yeah, good luck to us, I guess. We made it, guys! Oh my gosh.
What's this?
It's the mansion.
The mansion?
Yeah, and then, yung left side love is Wright Park. We're here at Botanical Garden. Magka-cafe muna kami para ma-energize kami. Okay?
We both ordered strawberry milk because we're in Baguio. And I just saw Kuya put 4 fucking pumps of fake strawberry in my cup. No real strawberry in my strawberry milk in Baguio City. Hello?
Kasi ata season ng strawberry.
Bro, what do you mean?
No shit, nahuli tayo. Hindi mo walang pinakita yung inom mo. May review na agad siya, guys.
It's fake. Tell me it's not.
It's fake.
I think this is what they call daylight robbery. Okay, sorry Baguio peeps if you're gonna watch this. I'm sorry. Maybe we have tried the wrong cafe but we just got tired so we went here. So the went with the matcha. At least if it's fake, acceptable kasi wala namang bibenta ng almost real matcha here. Thoughts mo?
As long as it's strawberry, it's a good strawberry for me. Tingnan mo, almost 3 minutes of yapping about strawberry milk.
This vlog is gonna be 6 hours long. Partida, ikakat pa namin yung yap.
And partida, ako lang mag-e-edit.
No, I will edit it. Ako mag-edit.
We?
Kasi
No,
ang
let's...
ugly mo mag-edit eh.
What do you mean?
For a vlog, I don't want your editing style.
I've changed.
If gusto niyo ng may substance yung video, wag niyo panoorin to. Bro, nung pandemic pa yan eh.
No, the pandemic one is not aesthetic.
Pinakita mo na rin sa akin yan.
Yeah, kasi ang tagal na nga naka-ready babe nung aesthetic.
Oh. Ayaw niya kasi talaga manawala sa akin guys na mag-start na siya mag-vlog.
And the kilay is nice. There's a blush. Wala lang yung dimples ko, but yeah, malay natin, pag yumaman pa tayo, makakapagpagawa na tayo ng ibang intro.
I think guys, dapat i-comment nyo doon kung
Diba?
gaano ka-shit yung vlog namin. Tapos mag-suggest kayo na i-lessen mo namin yung pagyayap or okay lang sa inyo na nagyayap kami ng ganito.
Alam mo, hindi. Alam mo anong kulang sa atin?
Ano?
Ang jologs natin magsalita nung una.
Bakit?
Na ngayon lang tayo nagtagalog. Kanina puro ang arte natin
Hindi
kanina.
ganun kasi talaga ako sa school.
Ako, Jijimon tayo kasi Jijimon mga tropa ko. Ay, sa mga Jijimon. Pero yun yung bad review ko sa first vlog natin. But there's first in everything. Uy.
Ganun. Ba't ba tayo nag-vlog? Kasi wala lang, di ba? Nag-start lang nung nag-food trip tayo ng sa bus.
Hindi kasi gusto ko talagang i-vlog yung Baguio kasi first trip natin to.
Okay.
Emotional naman. Ikaw naman, trash naman.
Emotional. Ay, ganun pala. Kala ko lang kasi, oops. I got a DJI. I got a mic. Let's talk nonsense and vlog. Post it on YouTube. Oh, there's fireworks, bro. Do you wanna see the fireworks? Oh, it's not picking up. Anyway, it's kind of ugly.
Guys, let us appreciate. You just watch us watch the fireworks.
Kasi may fog, kaya hindi na-view ng ayos.
Baka sa Burnham yun, no?
Siguro.
Ang tagal.
Lagi may event dun, no?
Grabe guys, kahapon
Kahapon yung dog fashion show.
Alam mo kaninang umaga?
Parang
Singing contest.
Singing contest,
Diba?
talent, ganun.
Ay, yung ganda nun, gago babe. Hello guys. We are here in Pampanga already.
Pampanga na ba to?
Yeah, it's Dao.
Hello, guys.
Ba't lagi mo niuulit pa yung hello guys? Alam mo, maglalagay ako ng hello guys.
Hi, guys. Counter.
Oo. Ang dami naming clips na hindi nakuha kaninang umaga, nung isang gabi, kasi in-enjoy namin siya. Like, wala kaming dinala kundi wallet lang namin. Tapos, kumain lang kami, nagbili ng kung ano-ano. And, ayun, nag-rest talaga kami kasi medyo mahaba talaga yung biyahe namin ngayon. Dahil pagdating namin ng PTEX, another 3 hours pa ulit pa Cavite. So, yeah. Pasensya na rin kayo guys kung low energy na to. Well, hindi kami low energy but nasa bus kasi kami. May mga kasama kami and baka bungangaan kami kung tawa kami ng tawa.
Yes.
Okay, so for our first trip, what is your rating?
4 out of 10 because only
But 4 out of 10?
4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 pala. Kasi kulang yung day. Pero masaya. Pero if mas mahaba, it's okay sa.
Yeah, ako din. Ako mga 3 out of 5. Feeling ko, it could have been better kung una, natulog kami before the trip. Second, kung mas prepared kami kasi ang dami namin kulang. Late na namin na-realize.
Wala yung ID ko.
Yun pa. Tapos, kung may another day kami to rest kasi parang sinakto lang talaga namin na magpagpunta doon, gagala yung second day, tapos uuwi. Hindi siya ideal, nakakapagod siya. Feeling ko, pag uwi namin dalawa, paksak kami ng hanggang kinabukasan. So, yun, mas maganda kung 4 days. And feeling ko ma-apply namin yun sa lahat ng pupuntahan namin ngayon na 4 days and above talaga dapat yung mga trips namin. But it's fine. This is our first trip. No one's gonna judge us. Kundi kami lang din. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Uy, baka magbabay counter naman tayo.
No. Okay, last one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.